Alright y'all, so I just got these GnB 300 milliamp hour 2S packs, high voltage. So I'm going to be comparing it to this here, which is my current favorite, my current best in its class that I have. This is a 350 milliamp hour 2S, but this is a normal voltage pack from BetaFPV. And although some people haven't been impressed with this, the pack that I have, the 2-pack that I received when I purchased them from Amazon, are really nice. They perform really well. But I know BetaFPV batteries do have the problem with not being consistent. I think most of the ones that I get, they're usually consistent. They're really powerful batteries. But I know that sometimes when I grab these BetaFPV packs and then other people get them, they say that theirs are not as powerful as mine are. So it's some suspicion that these batteries this brand here is not really consistent on how well the battery packs are. And it seems like if you get them early, when they first become available, then that's when you get the most powerful ones. They seem like the better ones. I try to get them as soon as they come out. I guess that's the only thing that I can see, the only common denominator between the batteries that I have and, you know, all of them are working well. That's the only thing I can see, is that I purchased them rather early. But anyhow, let's get into this. This GnB is only going to be charged up to normal voltage first, and then later on I'm going to do a comparison of these two with OSD and all, complete with everything in there that you need to look at, I guess. You know, to try to determine the sag and all, and how much throttle is being used and everything, my stick position. But anyhow, right now we're going to go line of sight. I'm going to try to play it by ear, I guess. So we're going to start off with this 350 milliamp hour pack, and we're going to be flying this guy. Line of sight. Let's get it. Wow. So this battery is awesome, as you guys can see. Whoa. Still tons of power in it. Tons of punch out. totally expecting this one to fly longer. Okay, so it's dying. Full throttle now. Okay, so this one is screaming.
Telemetry lost.
That was this one. So now let's check out the other one. A lot of punch. This is charged up to normal voltage. Yes. Wow. The only thing about these high voltage packs is they seem to give a bunch of power almost all the way to the end, but then it just falls off the cliff. As far as power is concerned, it goes from 60 to like 5. So you really gotta have this thing close, because when the battery goes, check it out. That's full throttle there. So when these things go down to LVC, they go all the way down. There's no bringing it up, no getting it back to you. So you gotta be in close proximity to yourself.
RF signal
What?
critical, telemetry lost.
I think I like them. Alright y'all, so just to spice the video up a little bit more, we're going to be flying this thing right here on here. This is a 400 milliamp hour graphene 2S battery from Infinity. And since I did make the modification to the battery bay here, I can get this to fit in there. So that's what we're going to do, and do a little proximity flying. So we got it held together like that. Looks a little weird, but I'm sure it's going to fly. So let's check it out. Let's look at the punch out. Still really nice punch out with this. Great punch out. So let's do some flying. Hopefully you guys can see.
RF signal low. RF signal low.
Still flying really nice.
RF signal low. RF signal critical.
Uh-oh. It's critical on us.
RF signal critical.
We're back. Just in time. And the battery's dead. Thanks for watching, guys.